Good morning, students. Today we will go through chapter 11, that is Save the Environment. I hope you have done the reading of this chapter. This is about pollution. This chapter is about pollution. What types of pollutions are there? What are the agents of pollutions and all? So, introduction part today I'll explain you. Okay. So, the Earth's environment is most favorable for different forms of life to exist. Okay, what does this mean? The Earth's environment is most favorable for different forms of life to exist. The environment is most favorable to all types of life it exists, be it animal life, plant life, or human life. Unfortunately, the environment is getting contaminated. Contaminated means it is getting dirty day by day. This contamination is called pollution. So all this dirtiness is called the pollution. Any substance that causes the degradation of an element from its natural condition is called a pollutant. Understood? That any substance that causes the degradation means which is the cause of pollution. Pollution जिससे होता है of an element from its natural condition is called a pollutant. Any agent that causes pollution is called the polluter, and that agent which causes pollution is called a polluter, and at which thing it is called a pollutant. Humans are the biggest polluter of the environment. We all know that humans are the main who pollute the environment due to their insensible activities. Whatever activities they do knowingly and unknowingly, they pollute the environment. We all have knowingly or unknowingly contributed to pollution in same way or the other. Means sometimes knowingly we do and sometimes unknowingly do, but we contribute to the pollution. A single family living in a metropolitan city dumps more than a ton of garbage every year. The example is given that if even a single family, if husband and wife is there and one son is there or one daughter is there, that type of family also in a metropolitan city like Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Delhi, that type of city, they dump more than a ton of garbage. The garbage means all the waste material every year. Most of this is plastic waste which is not recycled, and most of it is the plastic waste, the bottles and all. At this moment, we are posing the greatest threat to our environment. So because of this all pollution, this plastic waste, because it does not get mixed up with the soil, it has to be recycled. So at this moment we are posing the greatest threat to our environment. The global warming, ozone layer depletion, contaminations of our water bodies, air and noise pollution are some of the effects of polluting our environment. So what are the effects of pollution? That कहाँ पर ये effect होता है? Global warming, ozone layer depletion, contaminations of our water bodies, air and noise pollution are some of the effects of polluting our environment. So here also see, look at this picture I told you to draw na, that one picture is of the earth with all its in a good position without pollution, and one is with pollution when the factories are there and all pollution is there. So see what is happening to it, the earth, and see here when it is full of life. So here look at these two pictures, write suitable slogans for them. Which picture tell you about the present state of our planet? Give reason for your answer. So they are showing the comparison between the earlier planet and now what is happened to it with so many factories and vehicles. Okay, so today we had gone through all this, and diagram I had already given you this to draw. Now in other diagram you will draw this two types, all the types of pollutions. That is in one page two pollutions should be there: air pollution and water pollution in one page, and then soil pollution and noise pollution in one page. Okay, so this type of pollutions you will have to do. Then afterwards one diagram is left. This also you will have to draw it. There are many diagrams in this chapter. This diagram, then this diagram, diagram I will give you afterwards. Or you can do it this way, that for homework you will draw this diagram, hole in the ozone layer, and reduce, reuse and recycle. This two diagrams you will do it. Then afterwards, when we will go through air pollution and other diagrams, water pollutions and all that, then we will give you the other diagrams. Okay, thank you.